In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rename presets in the all-new Adobe Captivate 12.5. I'm Paul Wilson, and I make videos about e-learning, specifically the authoring software Adobe Captivate. If you like what I'm doing here today, by all means subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your e-learning buddies. So with the release of 12.5, there are some small features that have come along as well, and to give them their just desserts, I'm going to make videos about them. So this won't be a super long video, but it should give you the basics of one of the new features in 12.5. Full disclosure here, I'm working with pre-release software right now. I actually recorded this long before the release of 12.5. So, you may see some small differences. Things like icons might look different, or the user interface might look different for one reason or another, but it should still give you the gist of what the new software is capable of. All right, let's take a look here. So one of the things that's nice about Adobe Captivate 12 is that we have all of these text presets. And while we can modify those, and let's say we want to make a small change to something here, we can update it in our theme builder as well. So the good thing is I can go into project properties, go into edit theme, and from there we can go to the font palette. And we, of course, can double click on any of our text presets and give them new names. So we could say title heading, and we can, of course, go and change all of the other ones as we see fit. Regular titles, questions, slide titles, whatever makes sense for you and your e-learning project. And then, of course, you can export this as a custom theme. So I'll just save this work-life balance light CPTH file. If I cancel from here, and let's just create a new project, and we can go into project properties and edit theme and import that just saved CPTH file, and it will come with those custom naming. So really great if you're building a theme for your organization at whatever company you work for. And of course, you want to share these theme files so that everyone is using the same colors, the same fonts, the same UI components. And obviously with renamed presets, everyone will know exactly what this preset should be used for.
If you thought this video was helpful, please like and share it with your colleagues. If you need help with Adobe Captivate, hire Paul for one-on-one instruction. Paul's goal is to focus on lessons based on your specific needs. Visit his website at captivateteacher.com. And don't forget to subscribe to his YouTube channel.